Let's see the differences between ALL, that is acute lymphoblastic leukemia, and AML, that is acute myelogenous leukemia. So ALL versus AML. ALL चिल्ड्रन में कॉमन होता है. ALL इज़ मोर कॉमन इन चिल्ड्रन. AML इज़ मोर कॉमन इन adults. ALL is more common in children. Lymphadenopathy is less common in case of AML, but lymphadenopathy is prominent in children and less common in adults. Adults में lymphadenopathy कम होता है, पर children में lymphadenopathy prominent होता है. In case of AML, lymphadenopathy is less common. Hepatosplenomegaly is more common in case of ALL and it's less common in case of ALL. Hepatosplenomegaly is more common in ALL. Testicular involvement is more common in children in case of ALL and it's less common in case of AML. So AML में lymphadenopathy, hepatosplenomegaly और testicular इन्वॉल्वमेंट बहुत कम होता है. AML में lymphadenopathy, टेस्टिकुलर इन्वॉल्वमेंट और हेपाटोस्प्लीनोमेगेली बहुत कम होता है, जबकि ALL में lymphadenopathy चिल्ड्रन में मार्क्ड रहता है, टेस्टिकुलर इन्वॉल्वमेंट भी चिल्ड्रन में ज़्यादा कॉमन होता है एंड हेपाटोस्प्लीनोमेगेली इज़ मोर कॉमन इन ALL. आई इन्वॉल्वमेंट, सो अक्यूट माइलॉइड ल्यूकेमिया में देर इज़ मोर eye involvement. Eye involvement is more common in case of AML. Leukemic blast, in case of ALL, lymphoblast will be there and AML के केस में myeloblast. So ALL के केस में lymphoblast, AML के केस में myeloblast. Lymphoblasts are smaller and myeloblasts are larger. Lymphoblasts are smaller whereas myeloblasts are larger. NC ratio, that is nuclear to cytoplasmic ratio, is high in case of ALL और वो छोटे भी होते हैं. जो myeloblasts हैं वो large है और उनमें N/C ratio low होता है. AML में N/C ratio कम होता है. Chromatin is clumped in case of ALL and it's spongy and skin-like in case of AML. ALL के केस में chromatin clumped होता है और AML के केस में जो chromatin है वो spongy और skin-like होता है. Less than 2 nuclei in case of ALL and 2 to 5 distinct nuclei in case of AML. Less than 2 in distinct ALL, 2 to 5 distinct AML. All rods are not present in ALL. ठीक है, all rods ALL में lymphoblast होता है and all rods are not present. All rods are present in case of AML. ठीक है, AML के केस में all rods are present in 10 to 20% of cells. In case of AML, the all rods are present in 10 to 20% of the cells. TDT is often positive in case of ALL and negative in case of AML. So TDT is often positive for ALL. Myeloperoxidase is positive for AML. So M is there और myeloperoxidase में भी M आ रहा है. So myeloperoxidase is positive for AML and TDT is most often positive in case of ALL. Sudden black B positive in case of AML. Cholesterol esterase positive in case of AML. So AML में myeloperoxidase, Sudan black B और cholesterol esterate डलवाना पड़ेगा, पॉजिटिव होता है. सो AML के केस में myeloperoxidase, Sudan black B and cholesterol acetate esterase are positive. PAS, that is periodic acid shift, is positive in case of ALL. It shows block pattern, and in case of AML, periodic acid shift is positive in less than 25%.